So another Jamaican TikToker has died, and this is coming from Jamaica Observer. It says St. James, Jamaica. The St. James police are investigating the death of social media personality who was shot and killed by unknown assailants on Friday night in Montego Bay. 23-year-old Marlon Samuels, also known as 41 BUSS head of Rose Heights address, was shot around 10 p.m. on North Lane in the Western City. The attackers reportedly fled the scene. The Mobay CIB is currently investigating the incident. Samuels had gained popularity on social media platforms TikTok and Instagram. Reports indicate that he was killed shortly after doing a live feed on Instagram. Further reports suggest that he would have celebrated his birthday today, Saturday. His death comes just days after fellow social media influencer Xavier Noagang Foha was shot and killed on December 7th during a live TikTok session in St. Catherine. So as someone that has been doing social media for a long time, I will say this. It has come out now on a public forum how much some of these TikTokers are making per month or when they do matches and stuff. And also Noah said people badmine him for his goals that he was making on TikTok. So badmine is a thing. Badmine can definitely get you killed. And when you're successful, you have to move a certain way, especially when you're successful on social media. First things first, as someone that has been doing social media for a long time, I will say this. Anytime I post anything, I'm definitely not there anymore. So if you see me post a picture, I'm probably not at that location anymore. You never see me going live in places that I frequent, whether that to get my hair done, nails done, feet done, where I buy my food or do grocery shopping or anything like that. If it's a pinpointable location where anybody that goes there can tell where it is, you won't see me going live there. You won't see me show the outside area. You won't see me show anything that can let people know the exact address. And I think because TikTok is just an app where you just go on there and you just do what you want to do, people have this tendency to go live anywhere and everywhere. People also have a tendency to not be fearful as much when they're on TikTok. I don't know what it is, but that's how I see it going from a audience perspective. And this doesn't only go for TikTok. I'm talking about anybody and everybody in general, whether you're on social media or not, whether you just go live for fun. People have this thing where they can screenshot a part of your video, screenshot clips in your video, and they can go on Google and Google search the location. So people need to be very vigilant and very mindful of what they're doing on social media and how they move when they are popular or well known on social media. Another thing is who you associate yourself with. So if you associate with people that are in negativity, more than likely that negativity is going to spill out or spill over into what you're doing and what you're trying to accomplish. People normally say, show me who your friends are, I know who you are. And a lot of Jamaicans believe in that. So if you carry yourself a certain way, you look a certain way, you live a certain lifestyle, people are not hip to the fact that you can be very successful and do what you want and live a good life just by doing social media. It's not a thing. And people forget that we are in a social media era. Jamaicans and Jamaican people in general have not gone to the place where they can't judge a book by its cover or see I'm blind and hear and deaf. Once they see you, they're going to start judge you and ask a lot of questions about you and your lifestyle. That is another thing. But be careful who you associate with. Be careful how you're going live. Be careful how you're carrying yourself on social media and in real life. And all in all, it's in the end of year. Jamaica is known at the end of the year to have a lot of debts. So if you want to be safe, stay inside. I'm not saying you shouldn't go out at all. If you are planning on going to 10 parties, cut it down to 3 or 4. If you are planning to go at 2, make it go 1. Be safe, be vigilant, and be prepared. Okay? Preparation is needed. So with that being said, rest in peace to him. I don't really consume Jamaican TikTok content like that, so I didn't really know him, just like no, I didn't know him until they died. But with that being said, I'm gonna end this video here. Like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm also going to insert some of his well-known clips and some of the clips that he went viral on social media with. Until next time, see you later. Deuces.
Room one BUSS. You hear me? Now she looks. You understand? December 21st, Saturday is my birthday. You understand? I need everybody to turn out on my live, on my birthday job. We could play some games and enjoy ourselves. My side, you don't really look on the hairstyle or say, yo, me look rough. You see, anytime when me look, say people them gift me because they see it, so I don't have nothing. You understand? Yo, anybody pon the app over here, so pon the bumbuckler app over here, so on IG, we can build posters, DM me quick.
Greenhouse, the West can be cash. I'm yelling out in this greenhouse. If you're yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't letting out. We got bars, but we ain't willing out. And that big Ferrari, we pillin' out. As long as they bring the vibe, pillin' out. The so call, we just chillin' out. They yelling out. If it's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm not like the Barbie. I'm a dog, but I still wanna party. You feel like I'm ready to run. I'm intense, so I pull in the can. Right, Travis, Stacey, we keep up. All the fuck we straight. It's bad. I'm a killer, glass of a toast. I'm a killer, gun pop off the walls. Rich long time, we never got eyes. We no mix our fingers. Remember we pull our chicks like Pringles. Run them on one single. Holding our face like dimple. I'm crawling our weed, still my wrinkle. Just call me the 17 boy.
Pleasant good day. I remember me they telling me say me not have nothing out of life. You actually I did rental. I just get my vehicle. You understand? So check me out. You might go say my man that can be cutting.
It's nice weather out there, I see.
Yeah, it's
Okay. Alright, well, I'll see you guys soon, hopefully in 2025. But big up yourself, you don't know, see?
alright, Nikki. No
Alright.
pussy test.
Yeah.
Bad. Go on, Nicki Minaj. Yo, TikTok, you hear me? Me there in a KFC and God know, hungry, I broke my neck. Look for me good, me hungry. Sure.
Killer day when me importing. Any scene I'm a cup, so me stay floating. So no sorry for the 6 bars, me no porting.